Let's explore some of the built-in methods that are used to manipulate items in a list. An append item adds an item at the end of the list. Count method counts the number of given items in a list. If we want to insert item at the particular location, we can use the insert method. In this example, apple is inserted at position 2. Remember, the first position is represented by 0 and the second position is represented by 1. Tuple is another type of collection in Python. Unlike list, tuple is immutable. That means elements inside the tuple cannot be changed or manipulated. But similar to list, items inside the tuple are also ordered and it allows duplicate values. In order to define a tuple, we use parentheses or round brackets. To access a tuple, we can use indices similar to list. 0 is the first element, whereas -1 is the last element. In theory, we cannot change a tuple, but sometimes if we really need to change the tuple, we can do it indirectly. First, convert the tuple into a list, change the list, and convert the changed list back to a tuple. Here is an example. A set is an unordered, unchangeable collection of items where duplicates are not allowed. In order to define a set, we use curly brackets. If we give duplicate values, it will automatically remove the duplicate. Although a set is immutable or unchangeable, we can still add or remove data from a set. A dictionary is used to store data values in key value pairs. It is a collection which is ordered as of Python 3.7 before it was unordered. It is changeable, the values can be changed, and it does not allow duplicates because the keys are unique. In order to create a dictionary, we use curly braces with the key value pairs. The values in a dictionary can be accessed or modified by using the key as an index. We can also add a new key value pair as shown in the example. In the next lecture, we're going to talk about branching and looping in Python.